Morning guys! Ano kami? Tour namin ngayon. Ano ngayon? Tuesday? Oh, Tuesday. Tour namin ngayon sa Yelyu, Geo Park, and yung nagpapalipad.
Nagdaanan na tayo.
Ano kami oh, dyan na kami nadaan din kagabi. 7:40 no? Yung meet up namin.
Saan?
Sa MRT, sabi ni Macho sa Shimen, MRT. Yan. Kasi malayo-layo daw yun, kaya maaga. Maliwanag na pala eh. Isang Tuesday na umaga dito sa Taipei. Yan ang aming kalsada. Ang harap namin may massage pa. Kami, maglalakad kami pa Shimen tayo, di ba? Shimen Station. Oh, halika na. Halika na. Shimen Station tayo. Balik sana balik sana sila sa hotel eh. Wala kasi yung easy card niya.
May bulsa pala dito?
Oo, chinek ko din eh. Sabi ko, may bulsa ba to? Chinek ko sa bulsa yun. Buti hindi pa kayo nakakalayo. Dito kami guys. Dito yung nakausap natin, no? Yan, no? Solaria Hotel. Maganda rin, no? Solaria. May nakilala kami dyan kasama namin sa tour ngayon. Dyan naka-check-in. Ito, nasa ibang dimension na naman po tayo ng Taipei. Laki din ito, Thai Sugar Hotel. Ganda rin ang location niya, ano? Ito. Yan yung bus na sasakyan. Sakay na kami guys. Kailangan dito mabilisan. Hindi pwedeng papetex-petex. Iba yung kilosan dito. Kaya mabilis ka kumilos. Ikaw yung maghahabol, hindi yung basang maghihintay sa'yo. Anjo nag-check-in dati. Bounty capsule. So dito kami maghahantay ng ng tour natin na. Natawid pa pala. Kasi pangit daw mag-tour pag maulan. Pupuntahan kasi namin tabing dagat daw yun eh. Dagat daw pala talaga yung pupuntahan natin. Kaya pag tawag dito maulan, siya. High tide. Dami din kalapati dito guys. Malaya silang nakakalipad. Puro mga 60, mga ganun. Oo. Dala naman kami, oh.
27 degrees. 7:38 pa lang pala ito.
Taipei Main Station. Nandito na po kami.
27 degrees. 7:38. Kala ko quarter doon. 39.
7:39.
Oo, baka biglang nilikuan doon.
Nandito na kami, waiting na kami sa tour guide namin. Hinanap ni Anjo yung tour guide. Zhongshan Road. Tour guide namin. Lagyan kami nito, sticker. Dito to sa Family Mart, guys. Yung tinapad. Grilled cheese. Muli kami tinapin. Tinitimbang pala. Dito pala talaga antayan ng mga nagtutour. Ang galing ng trend no. Ay yung bus ibang bus. Sa amin wala pa eh. Baka may mga hinihintay pa. Ayan, Taipei Main Station. Punta na kami guys.
Ayan, sasakyan natin.
Ayan, sasakyan natin tren. Yung bus namin guys. Dalawa siya.
Field trip tayo.
Oo, field trip tayo.
Hindi yata yung nakasabay natin kumain. Ay, hindi pala. Mostly yata Pilipino.
Hindi, meron ding halo.
Pero mas ano. Patuna. Sa'yo ulit yan.
Taas tayo. Iya. Uy, dulo na tayo. Wah, hiwalay na.
Dito tayo. Okay lang.
Bring tubig. Eh, namimigay siya ng tubig.
Okay, from the Taipei Main Station, we are going to the Yeliu 9分Fort. And then, back to Taipei. So before we start in the journey, I will let you know something. Okay? First one, when you sit down already in the Taiwan tour bus, first one, you have to fasten the seatbelt for your safety. This is very important. My name is Bobo. B-O-B-O. Easy name for you to remember. I know some of the people say, haha, Bobo is special meaning for your understanding. Doesn't matter. I know the meaning. So it doesn't matter. Easy name for you can remember me. And today our driver, Mr. Ling, also provide the driving. So
Call center yata. Hindi na sila papasok ng ano. Alam dumaan tayo dito kahapon.
Hindi. Ba't? Papunta na tayo Macau.
Galing din ang daan nila eh, no? May ba meron sa taas, meron sa
Ang ganda.
Ang ganda, sakto.
Maayos yung ano nila,
Diba?
Parang
Yung kalsada
naka-landscape.
nila.
Hindi kagaya sa atin.
Dapat ganito sa atin, eh.
Sa Baguio nga eh.
Oo. Sa tunnel kami guys. Nakababa to ah. Nakababa. Parang sa ano to yung Ayala sa atin. Pero hindi, parang isang sasakyan lang. Isang sasakyan lang pwede no?
Dalawa.
Dalawa. Ha?
Dalawa. Dalawang lane na lang.
Dalawang lane lang. Ito yung tubusan.
Ayan, tapos na. Biniwanag na.
Yan na.
A small island. This island in the Google map is located in the northeast part of the Taiwan. We call this island Keelung Island. Why we call it Keelung Island? Because it is nearby to the Keelung Port. Keelung Port, this is also very important for the Taiwan economic. Many of the international shipment or sometimes international cruise stopping in the Keelung Port. So if you like to see where is the Keelung Port from Taipei Main Station, you can take the train forward to the north direction of the train. Around 40 minutes, get out of the Keelung train station. Outside the station, that is the Keelung Port. So it's quite easy to reach to the Keelung. And at the daytime, you can see the Keelung Port. In the evening time, you also can see the Keelung Night Market, also very popular. So that is another tour information for you got the reference. Today, our tour stop for the Yellow Jiufen Shifen Shimen Waterfall. We are all in a new Taipei City. Why I say the new Taipei City? Because from the Taipei Main Station with departure, that is the Taipei City. Today, we are in the new Taipei City. The difference is for the population. Taipei City's population is around 2.7 million. The new Taipei City, the fourth, is the Taipei County. The Taipei County's population is bigger than the Taipei. When we go inside, I should let you know something. First one, all the rocks inside the geopark is natural. So don't touch any rocks inside the geopark. Only one rock you can touch. Where? In front of the entrance, before you go in front of the entrance, there is the big rock. I will show you. This is the only one rock you can touch. What is the same rock touchability? Second one, inside the ground, inside the geopark, in the ground, they also have the red line. The red color of the line is warning you for your safety. Please do be curious and collect the same in the yellow geopark. Okay. Because later our driver turned off. This village is very small, but it's very famous for the Taiwanese to come in here to eating the seafood, especially in the autumn season. Now we have the crab festival. Now you can see the right side, there's a fish market and also have the small fishing port. Surrounding in the northeast coastline, usually we have the 7 fishing ports surrounding here. So if you are the interest you like to eat the Taiwan seafood, you can choose it in the autumn season in October or November. Come to surrounding the northeast coastline, you can get very delicious the crab. Because the new Taipei City government, we also have the crab festival. Because during that season, the crab is very delicious. And that is why you can see some of the decorations surrounding here, decorated by them.
Bilihan ng mga crab.
Wala pa naman.
Walang laman.
Tubig.
Ayan, ito
Meron na.
Naka-aquarium.
Oo.
Nakapatay na.
Wala.
Okay, so today you are very lucky because you know why? In Taiwan we have the 3 days all non-stop raining. So far so good. So far so good. Beautiful sunshine with the coastline view where you can take photos. So catch the time to take photos. Don't worry. And we will stop with you just in case if it's suddenly raining. Okay, later get on the bus, follow me. I will show you where is the visitor center and I will give you a quickly instruction in front of the visitor center and then I will show you the entrance and you can go straight up. So later, same way go, same way back. How you go, how you back. If you come back earlier, you go to because next time we are going to the Shifen. So if you need a 7-Eleven from ATM, withdraw the money. This is one of the statement.
Peso.
Pwede magbayad ng?
Peso.
Doon sa Shepen. Yung pangalawang
And also our lunch.
Where are you from? Philippines.
Where are you from? Philippines. This one. Ito tayo. So, ito yung
Wala
yet.
mabuhay. Hindi mo lang nilagay yung
Ah! 5? 6. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Pababa, no?
Dito ba yung mga rock?
Ano, yata, oo. Oo, kaya yung dalawa ante hindi na nagbayad. Ha? Ayan lang yung pwedeng hawakan daw.
Pwede ba? Pwede daw? Huwag lang hawakan. No touching. Ito yung ano niya.
Cute princess. Galing. Bigla lang daw nag-split. Ganda, no? Saan sila dumaan na yan? No crossing. Asa sila, Anjo? Dito tayo. So, bawal nang bumaba, ante. Ay, may nakasulat kayo. So, no crossing. Ito lang talaga. Ang galing, no? Nagkaroon sila ng ganito. Out of ano lang.
Sinave lang nila.
Oo. Ang galing. Sino kaya naka-discover nito, no? Ayan siguro yung nakasulat doon. Di natin binasa. Picture lang tayo ng picture. Ganda. Lao.
Oh my God, oh my God.
May pag nag-high tide siguro, maabot dito yung tubig.
Oo, grabe.
Oo.
As in.
Si ano siya ante? Lin Chai Shen.
Parang money plant nila, no?
Ante, ang ganda. Dito!
Nakaka-relax, nakakawala ng pagod.
Ha? 10:15. Ito.
Amoy dagat.
Hanggang oo, may dagat
Amoy
nga.
ano,
Si?
food mo.
Sino? Amoy seafoods.
Amoy dagat ba?
Minimintay nila yung linis, anta. Tinan mo, may naglilinis. Ito hindi na yata ito nadaan. Pagbagyo lang, no?
Ano na, dinaanan na ng tubig.
Oo. Bookstore, baka gusto mong bumili. Ganda sa video, oh. Ang ganda. Punta na kami sa bus. Kasi hanggang ano lang kami, guys. 10, parang 10 rinig ko eh. 10 or 10:15, ganyan.
10:15.
Oo. Siya si Princess.
Nasa?
Yun, yun nandun.
Cute princess.
Oo.
Nakakandog ba?
Ay, yung pinicture natin kanina.
Oo.
Yung ngayon dito, ano?
Cute princess.
Candle rock lang.
Candle rock.
Yun nandun kasi si Queen's Head, di ba? Naka-exit na kami guys. Nakakahingal. Oh, magbaon kayo ng energy. Hiningal ako. Exit na kami. Pwede ka naman palang bumili ng ticket, no? Direct dito. So, kung wala kang tour. Gusto mo bumili? Yun, doon. Sinasabi mo? Ayan. Ayan. Ay, bilihan din ng mga pagkain, guys. So. Yung juice. Oo. May bilihan din. Bas nakaulit kami guys. Nakakapagod. Dito palang pagod na ang paa. How much more pa sa iba. Marami.
Dito sulit na.
Marami pang pupuntahan.
Chubby, but now become very skinny. You know why? Every year, around the 0.5 centimeters, the queen's head neck got smaller, around the 0.5 centimeter for every year. So they worry maybe 20 years or sooner. Queen's head will get the eruption and gone. Also, if you took a photo, keep as the good souvenir. So, but I said, I hope you.